Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage dual connection on your headphones BOSE QuietComfort 35. So right here we have device 1 what connected with the headphones and also have an application, and the second one not connected with the headphones. Now on your first device open the application. And now click on your headphones or go to the settings. Click on connection, and now we can add the second device. So click connect new and click pair new device on your second device and click on the headphones. Pair. And right now we have two devices connected to the headphones without disconnecting, without unpairing. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Oh, and if you want to remove the second device, firstly you can of course disable this second device, or you can click edit and then just disconnect, and we remove it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!